Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and camera app so the results improve immediately. First, clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and remove any obstructing case. This reduces blur and flare. Then, force close camera apps and reboot the phone to free memory and reset sensors, because lag and odd exposure often come from background processes. Once done, open camera settings and set the highest resolution and frame rate, enable the grid for composition, and disable digital zoom to preserve detail. Next, you refine capture settings so images look sharper and truer to life. Tap and hold to lock focus and exposure, then use the exposure slider to avoid blown highlights because automatic meters can bias bright areas. If available, switch to manual or pro mode to control ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. Lower ISO reduces noise, and proper shutter speed prevents motion blur. Also, enable HDR or shoot RAW when scenes have mixed lighting, since these preserve detail for editing later. Finally, you stabilize, finalize, and check for lingering problems to complete the fix. Mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface, enable optical stabilization if present, and use burst mode for action shots. This increases the chance of a crisp frame. After capture, apply gentle sharpening and noise reduction in editing, then export at the original resolution to retain quality. If problems persist, update the OS and camera app, reset camera settings, and test another camera app so you can isolate hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.